Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to type in Microsoft's products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to go to any Microsoft Office products, and from there you will be able to start typing. So for example, if you are using it on the cloud, that means on your web browser, you will be able to go here to this icon and open any uh, tool or any product. For example, I'm just going to do Word. Now it will start a new document, and from here you will be needing either to start ones that you already have, or you can go to a blank one. Now you will be already seeing this cursor, and basically this is uh, will tell you that you are able to type and where the position of your cursor. So as you can see, if you just focus on the cursor, this is my position, and basically you are able to type on the word, and basically this is how you can type on Microsoft, and it will be the same for any other product. So let's go to the word that we have like as a software and not on the web. And basically, as you can see, it will be this similar thing. You will be able to type on the word, and basically you will need just to type whatever you like, and then you can also start like editing your text by adding formatting. And basically you can select your text, you go to format, you can change the colors, like increase size, you give it some styling, and also you can do whatever you'd want with the text. So as you can see, this is how you can start like type in Microsoft. Thank you for watching and see you next time.